Get some tags in, hopefully this works. Hey Rich, how you doing, mate? I was just about to tag you, but it's not coming up for some reason. What on earth is going on? Evening, Barry. Not too bad, mate. Not too bad. For some reason, it's not letting me tag anybody. I'll crack on and I'll tag everyone's names in the video at the end when it's uploaded to the group, in case anyone misses it and doesn't catch it live. Good evening, TSC. Thanks for everyone that's joined in, participated by getting in on this break. 2016-17 Panini Select Soccer. It's 2 minutes past 7, a little bit late. 7th of the 6th, 2020. One box. Unfortunately, during shipping, I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of damage on this corner. If it turns out anyone's cards are damaged as a result of this, you'll get full refunds. I think they'll be alright because the packs are usually a bit more centralised in the box, but we shall see. Anyway, let's crack on, shall we? I'm going to keep you guys here all night. Hi James, is that you've got me on mute or I'm muted and you can't hear me? There's no damage to the pack, so I think we might be alright now. As I say, it's got this little protector that sits in the bottom of the box there. Anyway, one empty box. Get rid of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packs in total. Split it 6 and 6. Right, let's begin. For anyone, I've had quite a lot of new members join the group in the last 2 weeks. Anyone that's not caught any of my videos before, I always run 2 cameras. This one so you can see what I'm doing. This one up here so you never miss anything. No card ever goes out of shot. That's basically it. We're going to do this a pack at a time, seeing as it's only one box. Been a little while since I've opened any of these. Move that back a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to run through all the base cards as well, seeing as it is only one box. We've got a break list up. Yeah. First card off, starting, is Sergio Romero for Argentina. Just a base card. For Grant. Followed by Patrice Evra for France. And straight away there's a hit behind that. So we'll put that there for a second. Memphis Depay from the Netherlands. Hiding behind him is Antoine Griezmann for France. Mezzanine or terrace? I can never remember which one's which. So behind Evra, let's do ha 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 ha. It's the auto that can wait. That can wait. Rather than spoil the surprise straight away. How did I manage to pull that first pack? Empty pack. And my camera's doing its out of focus thing again. It's been doing this a little bit recently. It's doing my Sweden. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. The cameras I use have got autofocus, and if I move my hands too fast, it tends to switch around, which is quite annoying. So, Joe Hart for England, base card. Catch the light just right there. Hector Moreno for Mexico, base card. Brad Guzan for the States, also base. A dummy card. Olivier Giroud for France, also base. Christian Pulisic for the USA. And again, I'm going to have to call the checklist up in a second. Hang on, because this is doing my... Mezzanine, that was it. Field level's the other one, there you go. So that's a mezzanine even, I can't even get my head around it, let alone my tongue around it. Mezzanine base cards for those two. Next pack then. Empty pack, and first card is Gary Cahill, and here we go again with the focus. Joy. Try and stay around there. Gary Cahill for England, base card. Anatoly Timashek for the Ukraine, base card. Clint Dempsey, the United States, also a base card. Jose Jimenez, refractor for Uruguay. Where are we? Yeah, it's a multi. Well, I thought that was a multicolour prism, but it doesn't actually say prism on the back of the card. Just a multicolour base then. And Renato Sanchez for Portugal, mezzanine. Oscar from Brazil, base card. John Stones for England, also a base. Mateo Kovacic for Croatia. I thought it was two cards in one then. Catch the light just right. Shane Long for Ireland. A little bit different, that one. There we go. Shane Long, numbered 10 of 125. first hit going for Ireland. Mitch. First hit for you. And last card in that pack is Gareth Bale for Wales. Mezzanine. Catching the light there. Better? Yeah. We'll go with that, shall we? Another empty pack, and the first card out here is Sergio Ramos for Spain. Base card, followed by Jan Vertonghen for Belgium, also base. We'll pull a mezzanine Dele Alli for England. Federico Bernardeschi for Italy. Base card. And for Atletico Madrid, a white looking checkerboard, Jan Oblak, Atletico Madrid, numbered 12 of 99. Where'd Atletico? Jamie Walton. Oblak numbered to 99 there. First base card is a Bobby Wood. Let's put those down for a second. Bobby Wood for United States. And a multicolour of Blaise Matuidi for France. Not numbered. Manuel Neuer for Germany. Mezzanine base. Arkadiusz Milik for Poland base. Hiding behind that is, let's see if we can slowly but surely, it's a relic. Anyone know who that is? It's Gigi Buffon, double team memorabilia. Gigi Buffon and Giuseppe Rossi for Italy. Barry, you luck out again. You're like my good luck charm. Every break managed to pull you something nice. Not numbered, but player worn material. Buffon and Rossi. No, we'll go for a bigger size top loader than that, I think. Next pack then. Renato Sanchez, base card for Portugal. Some of these are stuck together. Jan Sommer for Switzerland, base card. Goalkeeper. For the Netherlands, Klaas-Jan Huntelaar. Again, not numbered. A white dummy card. Ashley Williams multicolour mezzanine for Wales, not numbered. And a mezzanine Lucas Podolski for Galatasaray. You serious? Well, glad to add to your collection, Barry. What can I say? There's another dummy card in this pack. So Ivan Perisic for Croatia, base card. Jordi Alba for Spain, base. Edin Dzeko for Bosnia, also a base. Blank dummy card. And James Hammond. Marcus Rashford for England. Multicolour mezzanine. Not numbered, but still pretty cool. We like a Rashford. In fact, I know how much his cards are starting to be sought after, so we'll go. Actually, there's something in the bottom of that sleeve that can go in the bin. Straight in the sleeve, and we'll even chuck this straight in the top loader. How's that? And Sead Kolasinac. That was a mouthful. Pretty sure it's Bosnia. Yeah, Bosnia-Herzegovina. Mezzanine base. 4 packs to go then. We're looking for another memorabilia, I think. It's 2 memorabilia and 1 auto on average per box. There's no guarantees. As I'm sure you're all aware, this product's been out quite a while. Stefan de Vrij for the Netherlands, base card. And call it too soon, there it is. So let's do this. So we go with Carlos Bacca for Colombia, base card. Jermaine Jones for the USA, mezzanine base. Alvaro Morata, mezzanine base. Hiding behind that, we'll go this way. For Colombia, Crayon Sack, James Rodriguez, jersey relic, and Alvaro Morata was a base. Select swatches, James Rodriguez for Colombia, numbered 130 of 199. It's pretty cool. He's disappeared a little bit on the footballing scene. Not quite showed up to the potential he perhaps had. He might return though. We shall see. You never know. I'm not even sure where he's playing football at the moment. I don't. Is he still at Real Madrid, or is he? He's moved on, I think, hasn't he? Hi Martin. Yeah, one Pulisic mezzanine, I think. Let me just have a. Yeah, just the one. So the chat thread doesn't keep up together while the video's running. So I miss some comments every now and then if I don't keep an eye on it and keep scrolling down. Yeah, so far a few base cards of various players. Pulisic and Rashford, probably the two most prominent. Just pulled a James Rodriguez jersey patch. Double team relic jersey memorabilia for Rossi and Buffon. Jan Oblak white sparkle. Numbered, is that to 99? Yeah. And a Shane Long gold. Numbered to 125. Ah, that's why. Yeah, I was going to say. I thought I didn't know if he'd left Madrid permanently, or if, like I say, he was out on loan somewhere. I didn't think he was. Certainly wasn't playing for Madrid. Has he been getting in the Bayern Munich team? Not sure on that either. Oh, there we go. Straight away, put his base card. James Rodriguez base. Followed by a Bartosz Kapustka for Poland. Base. Gareth Bale for Wales. Also for base. And a purple die cut. Well, this name's interesting. Yevhen Konoplyanka. It's numbered to 149. Is that a Ukraine badge? Yeah, it must be, surely. So for the Ukraine, who are the Ukraine? Josh Hodson, there you go, mate. Purple die cut. Running out of stands. Just a little plug, as some of you may be aware, these little plastic stands are quite handy for holding your cards up. Grant's got a massive box of them. He's working his way through selling, mainly via eBay, but if anyone's after any stands, give Grant a shout. And the last card in that pack is Douglas Costa for Bayern Munich. And that's different. I wonder if that's the field level base, I think, as opposed to your standard base cards. Yeah, he's a bit of an odd one. I think he's one of those players where Rodriguez, I'm on about, you put him in a team of other superstars and he kind of disappears. But, you know, put him in a Colombia team with some half decent players, but not, you know, outstanding world class, and he shines a little bit. So yeah, another team will take a punt on him for sure. Mario Gomez for Germany, base card. We'll hold on to that for a second. Lorenzo Insigne or Insigne for Italy, multicolour, and Ragnar Sigurdsson for Iceland, mezzanine base. Here we go. Name me a player, Grant, that isn't joining Newcastle when this pretend takeover goes through. Basically, the papers are linking everybody with them just because they're going to have some money. And it looks like we've got another... Can we get 3 relics in a box? Who knows? I think we might have. So, we've got Seamus Coleman for Ireland. Yeah. Mbappe, yeah, and the list goes on and on and on. Harry Kane. So, back to this. Seamus Coleman, Ireland, base card. Hiding behind that, select few, Gareth Bale for Wales, and Dan Hewitt. Quite like that. Refracts in the light quite a bit, and it's also quite a thick card. It's not numbered, but Gareth Bale select few. Last pack then. Yeah, so they say there's a lot of clubs in the Prem that outside of the top, or the usual established like top 4 or top 6, that are actually starting to put together some very decent football playing teams. I've been well impressed with the likes of Watford and Wolves over the last couple of years. Their dealings in getting players in, they've had some incredible talent come through. If they can continue to do that, who knows where they could be in sort of 5-10 years time. Dimitri Payet for France. Graced Premier League for a short period of time. Unfortunately then felt homesick, I believe. Went back to France. Jesus Corona for Mexico, a base card. Gylfi Sigurdsson for Iceland, base. Paul Pogba for France, also a base. And a mezzanine, Diego Godin for Argentina. Is it? No, it's not Argentina, is it? That's Uruguay. I just saw blue and immediately thought Argentina. There we go. So that leaves us with 1 pull to go. Came out of the first pack. Patrice Evra is the base card line on top of it. And where are we? We shall see. For the Ukraine, a patch auto or a autograph a relic, depending on how you like to refer to cards. It's Andrei Yarmolenko. For the Ukraine, Josh Hodgson again. And it's numbered to 148. That's unusual. Cards are usually done to 149. Numbered 41 of 148. You reckon Pogba was numbered? Ah, it was numbered because it's a blue. There we go. Good eye, Grant. Pogba for France, numbered 107 of 299. Sorry, it's me focusing too much on getting everything out of the way to pull that auto out. Yeah, I agree, Martin. 100%. And a lot of times it works out very well for them. If nothing else, it brings the experience in that perhaps some of the younger players can benefit from. Quick recap then, just for anyone that's jumps in and just watches the end of the videos. If you don't have time to watch a full break, I always do a recap at the end. So Pogba, Paul Pogba for France, blue, numbered 107, 299. Shane Long for Ireland, gold, numbered 10 of 125. Yevhen Konoplyanka for the Ukraine, purple die cut, numbered 5 of 149. Jan Oblak for Atletico Madrid, white sparkle, numbered 12 of 99. Gareth Bale, select few, not numbered. Excuse me. Double team memorabilia for Buffon and Giuseppe Rossi, not numbered, but 2 relics, and they are player worn. James Rodriguez for Colombia, relic numbered 130 of 199, and that's also player worn. And the also a relic for this box, Andrei Yarmolenko for the Ukraine, numbered 41 of 148, and it's also player worn material. And a Rashford multicolour mezzanine. Just double check I haven't missed any other numbers. Let's pull this itch out of there. No. Yeah, I do agree massively with that. You know, João Moutinho moving to Wolves, what an improvement the whole team gained from his knowledge and his skills. It's nice to see that players of that sort of calibre are willing to take a risk now on outside of the established, shall we say, top 6 of United, Liverpool, Man City, Man United, etc. Lastly, just a little quick through the base. No colours are available as of yet. I don't think I missed anything else. No. Okay, thanks to once again everyone participated, bought in. I'll get all your cards sorted and shipped to you. If any of you for some reason don't want base cards from your team, someone, I can't remember who it was now, I think it was James Hammond, dropped a message in the group asking if anybody doesn't want it, their base. He'll quite happily take them off your hands. I presume he's trying to put a base set together. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Your cards will be shipped out tomorrow morning, signed for first class Royal Mail. So if you're in the UK, barring any postage delays, you should have them by Wednesday. However, who knows? Coronavirus has played havoc with mail. Some stuff's being delivered in 2 days, other stuff's taking 2 weeks. Still, till next time, guys. Thanks very much.